Hi guys! You all know that I'm using WOW products from a really long time. Due to increasing pollution, dust gets settled onto our scalp, and here I have a solution for it. And that is Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo and Hair Conditioner from WOW Skin Science. So the shampoo contains raw apple cider vinegar, argan oil and sweet almond oil. And the conditioner contains virgin coconut oil, vitamin B5 and E and avocado oil. Apple cider vinegar shampoo gently detoxifies the hair and scalp by clearing up the buildups due to dust, pollution, dead scalp cells and styling products. And conditioner efficiently repairs and revives weak, thin and damaged hair and helps bring silkiness, strength and gloss to the hair. So, what are you waiting for? Go get your hands right away from their mobile app or website. Bye guys!